your time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can automate typing using Python. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you can do is import your modules. You're going to be import PyAutoGui as auto and import time, as we will need to wait before we type the needed time. Then after that, I'm going to type time dot sleep for around 4 seconds before it starts typing. The 4 characters in, let us call subscribe to Dipansh video time. That is going to be our line to type. So in that you can put auto dot press char. So it's going to press the character that we want it to press. Then lastly, at the last line you can put time dot sleep 0.1 second. So if you record it, it will look like you are typing and you just erase all the voices. So this is basically the code for you to type anything using Python. So if I go over here, after a little bit, start typing, wait a second, see, subscribe to the Dipansh video time. That's taking a lot of time to wait. Let's just put it to 2 seconds. You put it back here. Subscribe to the Dipansh video time. So, it should right now. So, this is basically the code to automate typing. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. The next time, Dipansh video time. If 100% of the people watching this video subscribe, I'm going to be showing you how to type what you say in Python. So, see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe.